tastes like. You're getting it. You're getting it.
Maybe Mommy should eat some first to show you how it's done.
No. I don't know how good this is gonna taste. Good girl. You're doing it. You're eating. Are you okay? I think you're pushing it out more than just taking it in. This is good. She's not crying, right? That's a good sign. Here. Do you like this? Yeah? Rice cereal. Nope. Nope. No fingers. This is gonna be a great beginning to eating, Addie. You got some of it? There you go, here you go. Here you go. Open wide. There it is. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Oh.
Oh, wow.
You see that? Come on, there's more on it. Here.